car's been cleaned, decontaminated and brought inside. So here we are, a quick buzz round. As you can see, we've got a lot to deal with here. We've got isolated scratches. We can see here where someone's been rubbing. Scrolling up. As we come round under the headlights, all the UV is starting to corrode. Wheels are not too bad. If you just bear with us, I'll get my light. We've got some deeper scratches up here, right on this edge. Looks like some bird itching. Buffer trails. On onto the bumper. Tailgate. Under the reg. Now, look on top of the boot. Oh dear, oh dear. Nasty scratches on. That's going to be touch and go whether they can be removed. Now you can see here there's like a slight haze as the light catches it there. Somebody's had a sander of some sort. You can see some, if I can catch them, not in here. There's some really tight buffer trails. That could also be somebody's had a rotary polisher on and it's obviously not refined down. A quick, as opposed to a lot of dealerships, it's a mop over, and I think somebody's just mopped this section here. Scratch on there. I'm seeing scratch on there. There's scratches all over it. So that's a quick buzz around the car. So what's the car getting? The car has been booked in for a major paint correction. So major paint correction, wheels off detail, the headlights is getting refurbished, it's getting SI 3D BC, SI 3D HD It's getting the hood protected. Nothing on the interior and nothing on the engine bay. So yeah, pretty much the full exterior of the car. So that's it, guys. Watch out for the after video.